Hello, my name is Scott Phillips. I'm a safety manager for P&S Transportation and help the company stay in compliance with FMCSA's drug and alcohol testing requirements. Today I'm going to speak with you regarding Roadcheck 2024. Roadcheck 2024 is set for the dates of May 14th through May 16th. As always, there will be areas in which the FMCSA will focus during these days. One area of focus is controlled substance and alcohol possession or use. I'll give you some quick tips on how to avoid violations. In addition to this focal point, FMCSA will also focus on the tractor protection system. Billy Busby, a maintenance manager, will be speaking to you on how to avoid these types of violations. Let's talk about drug and alcohol violations. First and foremost, PS Logistics companies follow all regulations for drug and alcohol possession and use as set forth by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. Inspectors during the week will be checking for the presence of alcohol or controlled substances during an inspection. These checks can include the observation of a driver, examination of the vehicle, and queries into the Drug and Alcohol Clearinghouse. Observations of the drivers will look primarily at driver behavior. You should never operate a vehicle while under the influence of drugs or alcohol. As a reminder, FMCSA regulations prohibit a company from allowing a driver to operate a vehicle with an alcohol concentration of 0.04. Due to this rule, if you consume any alcohol at all, you will not be allowed to perform any safety-sensitive function for 24 hours. If you're prescribed medication, this medication should have been listed on your physical and approved by a doctor on the National Registry. Only take this medication as prescribed and indicated to you by the doctor that completed your DOT physical. As a reminder, alcohol is not allowed in any commercial vehicle. If you have alcohol in the truck, regardless of if it is open or not, it could result in a violation. Regarding prescription medication, make sure that only medication which is prescribed to yourself is in the truck. Prescribed medication to the driver should remain in the original prescribed bottle. If you have had passengers in the truck previously and are no longer in the truck with you, you should check to make sure all of their prescribed medication is removed. Any medication found that is not prescribed to you can result in a violation. The Drug and Alcohol Clearinghouse were fully implemented on January 6, 2023. This is a database that houses all refused and positive DOT drug screens. If you have refused or failed a test in the past and have not completed the substance abuse program, you are prohibited from driving. If caught over the road, this will result in an out-of-service violation, and a drug and alcohol violation will be entered onto the company's CSA score along with your PSP record. Thank you for helping us operate safely each and every day on the highway. I will now turn it over to Billy Busby to discuss the maintenance focus point of this 72-hour blitz.
As Scott stated, my name is Billy Busby. I am the maintenance manager for P&S Transportation. Today I will be speaking on maintenance focus of Roadcheck 2024. The driver will be asked to release all brakes by pressing dash valves. Have the driver carefully remove the glad hands and allow air to escape. Ensure the air stops leaking from the supply line with at least 20 psi. Listen and or feel for any air leaks at the glad hand couples of the trailer. Request for full service brake application by the driver. Listen and feel for any leaks from both airlines. In addition to the literature received about Roadcheck 2024, we have received some information directly from a state trooper. He mentioned that their focus will be between the tractor and trailer, placing a lot of emphasis on the air hoses and listening for leaks. To prepare and check for this prior to Roadcheck, you should do the following. Close trailer supply valve by pulling the red dash valve. With trailer brake engaged, perform a tug test to make sure that the trailer brakes are properly working. Put on PPE, your gloves, safety vest, and safety glasses. Exit
and disconnect the airlines.
Position the airlines nearest to the cab. Stand at the door and depress the brake pedal with hand. Listen for any escaping air from the airline. If you determine that an air leak is being released, you should call the maintenance immediately for repairs. The material covered in this video are only focal points of the 72-hour blitz. Any inspector can expand on his inspection to other areas and not limit to the areas discussed above. The key to having a good, clean inspection always starts with the presentation of the truck and the professionalism of the driver. Have a great week from May 14th through May 16th.